Hey, this is Crystal with The Traveling Addict. Today, Throwback Thursday, I chose Penny's Bend. And the reason I chose this is because I've been working on the Nuese River trail, the Falls Lake Nuese River trail, and it ends at Penny's Bend. So I did Penny's Bend, like, it was probably one of my first hikes. I remember going there and I was a little anxious because there were a lot of people at the trailhead. And I don't know why, but I felt like somebody was gonna follow me, or you know, I was a little scared when I first started. But it turned out to be a very nice hike. I enjoyed it. I didn't have a video then, so I do have some photos of things that caught my attention during the hike. So enjoy the video, and I hope you like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed Penny's Bend. Please, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Bye.